When we talk about respiration, respiration involves four main crucial steps. सबसे पहला step है breathing. Okay, we are talking about this. In respiration, you have four main steps. The first one is called as breathing. मतलब आप सांस लेते हो और सांस बाहर छोड़ते हो. So that's breathing. That is divided into inspiration, that is taking in of air. Expiration, that means giving out air. वी हैव सर्टन स्टेप्स इन इट, बट एक जनरल सा आइडिया आप लोगों के दिमाग में आना चाहिए. जब आप, इट्स लाइक वन syringe, okay, you have a syringe, you want to put in the medicine in that syringe, so you're going to pull it down, right? आप नीचे की ओर पुल करोगे. So that's how it is. When diaphragm, the muscle of diaphragm is pulled down, the capacity inside the lung increases, creating the partial pressure. Thus, from outside, air rushes in. This is what happens in the first step of breathing, that is inspiration. So हमको अगर inspiration लिखना है तो how exactly? Now sometimes children get confused. Differentiate between inspiration and expiration अगर आया तो you should not learn both. Only learn inspiration, then it will be very easy. Okay, so breathing has got certain elements, components that are involved in it. So what are the components that are involved? One is thoracic cage, जो ये this region is the cage region, okay, that has ribs. Sternum मतलब बीच की जो हड्डी उसको हम sternum बोलते हैं. Then intercostal muscles. Intercostal muscles मतलब यहाँ पे हड्डियों के बीच में muscles होते हैं, right? They actually pull and push. So because of their contraction, they are helping us to open up our lungs, right? So this is intercostal muscles. And the last one is जो नीचे है diaphragm. Diaphragm muscle, that is the septum that divides the abdominal area with the upper region. Now what are the steps in inspiration? The first step in inspiration is, you know, generally what is going to happen, air goes in, right? अब air को अगर lungs के अंदर जाना है, आपको breathe in करना है, कुछ कुछ चीज़ें होनी ज़रूरी है, right? सबसे पहला number 1, diaphragm becomes flat. मतलब जो डायफ्राम का पोजिशनिंग ऐसा था वो बन जाता है ऐसा स्ट्रेट. सो फिर लंग्स की जो कैपेसिटी है, देखो अभी यहाँ लंग्स है, डायफ्राम ऊपर की ओर है तो लंग्स की कैपेसिटी कम होगी. अब जैसे ही डायफ्राम नीचे की ओर हो जाता है, सो इट गोज स्ट्रेट, तो ऑब्वियसली लंग्स की कैपेसिटी बढ़ जाती है, राइट? देयर इज मोर स्पेस इन द लंग्स, राइट? सो फर्स्ट स्टेप इन दिस इज number 1, the diaphragm becomes flat and it goes downwards. So because of this, the muscles of intercostal region, जो intercostal muscles हैं ribs के बीच के, they contract and then sternum moves upward. Sternum is the middle region that moves upward because there is more space that is created inside the lung region, thoracic region जिसे बोलते हैं, हाँ. So once, number 1, diaphragm becomes flat. Number 2, intercostal muscle contract. Number 3, sternum moves upward and outward, जिसके वजह से thoracic volume increase हो जाती है, जो inner capacity of lungs होती है वो increase हो जाती है, and creating pressure inside the thorax and lungs. Now due to this low pressure inside the lungs, the air would go inside from the atmosphere. There will be rushing in of air inside the lungs. So let's see the points once again. These are the steps of inspiration. Inspiration mein we know what is happening. Atmospheric air goes inside the lungs, but atmospheric air has to go inside the lungs. It has to undergo certain processes before it goes in. Number 1, diaphragm would become flat. Due to that, intercostal muscle will contract and the ribs will move upward. And last, thoracic volume increases. Volume के increase होने के वजह से pressure is decreased. There is low pressure inside. So this will pull in the air from outside, thus causing inspiration. So exact opposite to this inspiration is expiration. Now you see this diagram once. Diaphragm, which is U shape, इट गोज़ डाउन, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स होता है, नीचे जाता है. यहाँ के मसल्स भी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होते हैं. दिस स्टर्नम मूव्स लिटिल अपवर्ड, सो मोर स्पेस. यहाँ की लंग कैपेसिटी मतलब थोरैसिक वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज़ हो जाती है. प्रेशर उसके वजह से डिक्रीज़ होता है. देयर इज़ मोर स्पेस एंड देन एयर गोज़ इन. दिस इज़ इंस्पिरेशन. नाउ एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट to what we did in inspiration. Throwing the air out is expiration, right? Now what happens? Diaphragm relaxes. जो diaphragm नीचे, let's say diaphragm was like this, straight. Now it goes in the diagram, you can see the second diagram, it goes up. तो obviously जो space था वो कम हुआ, right? So diaphragm relaxes and pushes upward. The space has been reduced. And then intercostal muscles relax हो जाते हैं. And rib cage and sternum moves inward. Then there is decrease in volume and pressure increases. बहुत सारा air already भरा हुआ है, so वो pressure पड़ता है. So there is increase in pressure. Because of increased pressure, the air is pushed out of your nostrils, right? From the lungs through your nostrils. So at the end, the lungs throw out the air. So this process is called expiration. So one inspiration plus one expiration is called as one breath, right? Next we have external respiration, मतलब हमारे alveoli के अंदर exchange कैसे होता है, right? That we do in our next lesson.